Here is a myth that I want to address clearly today. If the car looks good after a repair, it must be safe to drive. Appearance and safety are related, but they are not the same thing, and confusing the two can have real consequences. Hi, I'm Tom from Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona, and today I want to clear up one of the most important misconceptions in collision repair. A great paint job does not tell you whether the frame was properly repaired. A clean fitted bumper does not tell you whether the sensors behind it were recalibrated. A vehicle that looks the way it did before an accident does not automatically mean everything that was affected by the accident has been properly addressed. Visual quality is important. It is part of a proper repair, but it is one dimension, not the whole picture. Here is why this matters practically. Modern vehicles have safety systems that depend on precise placement and calibration. Automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, blind spot detection. These features are increasingly built into external components that are commonly replaced in a collision. When those components are replaced, the systems associated with them need to be checked and recalibrated by someone who knows how to do it. If that step is skipped, the safety feature may not function correctly, and nothing on the surface of the car will tell you that. There is also the question of structural integrity. A vehicle's frame and safety cage are engineered to protect occupants in a collision by absorbing and distributing impact forces in specific ways. If those structural components are not properly repaired after damage, the protection they provide in a future accident may be reduced, even if the body looks perfectly fine. These are not hypothetical concerns. They are real considerations that reputable collision repair shops take seriously. As Arts, Auto Body, and Paint, when a vehicle goes through our process, we are not just checking the appearance. We are checking the repair against the standard that matters most. Is this vehicle ready to protect the people driving it? If a car looks great but is not truly ready, we have not done our job. If you want a shop that holds itself to a safety standard, not just a cosmetic one, contact Arts Auto Body and Paint in Pomona. Call 909-620-5464 or visit artsautobodyandpaint.com for a free estimate. Looking good should also mean being safe, and at our shop, it does.